Hello, my name is Hugh. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show how to make braised pig feet in Chinese style. So we will heat the wok over high heat and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and let the oil heat through. Then we will add half of the green onion, all the ginger slice, all the garlic cloves, and the lime leaves, and give it a quick stir. We want all the aromatic vegetables to release its flavor before we add the pig feet.